31st question. Acid used for the coagulation of rubber latex commercially. Correct answer option A, formic acid. 32. Chemical substance used for relieving pain. Correct answer option B, analgesics. 33. The most abundant protein in the living world is. Correct answer option B, Rubisco. 34. Which among the following is known as a pregnancy hormone? Correct answer option D, progesterone. 35. Typhoid is caused by the bacterium. Correct answer option A, Salmonella. 36. The two cerebral hemispheres of brain in a mammal are connected by. Correct answer option B, corpus callosum. 37. The polymerase chain reaction is helping for the synthesis of multiple copies of. Correct answer option A, deoxyribonucleic acid. 38. What change occurred to the 6th amino acid of beta globin chain of sickle cell anemic patient? Correct answer option C, glutamic acid to valine. 39. Dash is an example of for a gaseous plant growth regulator. Correct answer option D, ethylene. 40. Which of the following set of a enzyme present in the gastric juice? Correct answer option C, pepsin, rennin and lipase. 41. Vitamin that is exclusively of animal origin is. Correct answer option A, vitamin B12. 42. Which of the following animal lack radial symmetry? Correct answer option D, lemurus. 43. Pollination by wind is called. Correct answer option A, anemophily. 44. The cell organelle known as powerhouse of the cell. Correct answer option B, mitochondria. 45. Plant growing in dry habitat are called. Correct answer option A, xerophytes. 46. The study of fossil known as. Correct answer option D, paleontology. 47. The loss of water in liquid form from the leaves of plant is. Correct answer option B, guttation. 48. Which of the following set is the pyrimidines present in RNA? Correct answer option A, uracil and cytosine.